Welcome to the Mueller Electric Closeup Clips, where you'll get a demonstration and how to use our products. This video will showcase how to solder a 10-gauge retractable banana plug. Get the flux and solder ready. Dab the end of the wire in the flux. Apply solder to the iron. Solder to the exterior of the banana plug. Hold the wire at an angle so that the plastic housing fits securely. Assemble the banana plug as 1. Place the spring. 2. Place the retractable sleeve. 3. Place the exterior jacket. 4. Then the cap snaps on in the back. This view shows why angling the wire is important to properly fit the housing. In choosing Mueller Electric's electronic and electrical component supplies, you'll receive a reliable, high-quality, feature-packed solution that's competitively priced. Discover more solutions from Mueller Electric by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at muellerelectric.com. Thank you for watching.